Your liver is an amazing organ. It's one of the largest and most vital organs in your body, performing over 500 essential functions. It works hard, filtering toxins from your blood and helping you digest food. Every day, your liver processes everything you eat and drink, breaking down nutrients and converting them into energy or storing them for future use. But did you know your liver also plays a key role in managing fat? It regulates your body's fat metabolism, ensuring that fats are properly processed and stored. That's right, your liver helps turn food into energy and stores excess energy as fat. When you eat, your liver converts carbohydrates into glucose, which is then used for energy. Any excess glucose is stored as glycogen or converted into fat for long-term storage. When we consume more calories than our bodies need, our livers can become overwhelmed with fat. This excess fat can accumulate in the liver cells, leading to a condition known as fatty liver. This can lead to a condition called fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease can be either alcoholic or non-alcoholic, with the latter being more common due to poor diet and sedentary lifestyle. Fatty liver disease can affect your energy levels and overall health. Symptoms may include fatigue, weakness, and even pain in the upper right abdomen. If left untreated, it can progress to more serious liver conditions such as cirrhosis or liver failure. The good news is that you can take steps to support your liver and promote healthy fat metabolism. Adopting a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can make a significant difference. Regular exercise also helps in maintaining a healthy liver. One simple way is by enjoying these delicious and beneficial drinks. Incorporating liver-friendly beverages like green tea, coffee, and smoothies made with antioxidant-rich ingredients can support liver function and overall health. Remember, your liver is your body's powerhouse, and taking care of it is essential for your well-being. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins. These antioxidants have been shown to protect the liver from damage and reduce fat accumulation. Studies suggest that green tea extract can improve liver function and decrease liver fat in people with fatty liver disease. Drinking green tea regularly can be a great way to support your liver health and boost your metabolism. Try starting your day with a cup of green tea or enjoying it as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up. Your liver will thank you. Coffee lovers, rejoice! That morning cup of coffee does more than just wake you up. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can increase your metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Research suggests that coffee consumption may be linked to a lower risk of developing fatty liver disease. However, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can have negative effects on your body. Enjoy your coffee in moderation, and consider opting for black coffee or adding a natural sweetener like stevia. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. Lycopene has been shown to protect the liver from damage and reduce inflammation. Tomato juice is a refreshing and healthy way to increase your lycopene intake. Tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C and A, as well as potassium. Add tomato juice to your diet by enjoying a glass on its own or incorporating it into smoothies and sauces. Section 5. Watermelon Wonders, Hydration and Fat Burning. Watermelon is not only delicious and refreshing but also incredibly hydrating. Staying hydrated is crucial for liver health, as it helps your liver function properly and flush out toxins. Watermelon is also low in calories and contains a compound called citrulline. Citrulline is converted into arginine in the body, an amino acid that may help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. Enjoy watermelon as a snack, add it to your salads, or blend it into a refreshing summer smoothie. Section 6. Water, the elixir of life. Water is often referred to as the elixir of life, and for good reason. It is the most essential component for our survival and well-being. Water is essential for life and plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy liver. The liver is one of the most important organs in our body, responsible for detoxifying harmful substances and aiding in digestion. Staying hydrated helps your liver function optimally and aids in the detoxification process. When you drink enough water, it helps to flush out toxins and waste products from your body, making the liver's job easier. When you're dehydrated, your liver has to work harder, which can put a strain on this vital organ. Dehydration can lead to a buildup of toxins in the liver, causing fatigue, headaches, and other health issues. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's recommended to drink at least 8 ounce glasses of water daily, but individual needs may vary based on activity level, climate, and overall health. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. This not only helps you stay hydrated but also reduces plastic waste, contributing to a healthier planet. You can also add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for a refreshing twist. These natural flavors can make drinking water more enjoyable and provide additional health benefits, such as improved digestion and a boost of vitamins. Section 7. Healthy habits for optimal results. In this section, we will explore some essential habits that can significantly enhance your overall well-being and help you achieve optimal results in your health journey. To further support your liver health and maximize the benefits of these beverages, here are a few additional tips. Keeping a health journal can be incredibly beneficial. By tracking your daily habits, you can identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to improve your health. Make a checklist of healthy habits you want to incorporate into your routine and check them off as you go. Avoid adding dairy to your tea. Dairy can interfere with the absorption of beneficial compounds in tea, so it's best to enjoy it on its own. Instead, try adding a slice of lemon or a dash of honey for added flavor and health benefits. Drinking clear tea allows you to fully benefit from the antioxidants and other health-promoting compounds found in tea leaves. These compounds can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and support overall liver health. Use glass or stainless steel containers. Plastic containers can leach harmful chemicals into your drinks, especially when exposed to heat. By opting for glass or stainless steel, you can ensure that your beverages remain pure and free from contaminants. Plastic containers can leach harmful chemicals into your drinks, so opt for glass or stainless steel whenever possible. Listen to your body. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining good health, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Using a glass or stainless steel container can also help you keep track of your water intake. If you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions after consuming these drinks, discontinue use and consult with your doctor. It's important to pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and beverages. Everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide you with personalized advice and help you make informed decisions about your health. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises or taking a walk in nature can also support your overall well-being. These activities can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and promote a sense of calm and balance in your life. Finally, remember that a balanced diet is key to maintaining good health. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Eating a nutritious diet can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally and support your liver health. By adopting these healthy habits, you can enhance your overall well-being and achieve optimal results in your health journey. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, so start incorporating these tips into your daily routine today. Section 8. Listen to your liver, signs of trouble. Your liver works tirelessly, often without complaint, but sometimes it sends signals that something is wrong. These signs can be subtle, so it's important to pay attention. Do you experience unexplained fatigue, even after a good night's sleep? Are you noticing changes in your digestion, like bloating or discomfort? These could be your liver trying to tell you something. If you experience persistent symptoms or are concerned about your liver health, it's always best to consult a medical professional. Section 9. The importance of a holistic approach. While these drinks can offer fantastic support for your liver and metabolism, remember that true health is a holistic journey. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Engage in regular physical activity to boost your metabolism and support overall well-being. And don't underestimate the power of stress management techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Section 10. Share your thoughts and join the journey. Have you tried any of these liver-loving drinks? What are your favorite ways to support your liver health? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community and inspire each other on our paths to optimal well-being. Section 11. Premium products for enhanced wellness. Looking for an extra boost on your health journey? We've curated a selection of premium products to support your liver health, boost your metabolism, and enhance your overall well-being. Click the links below to explore our recommendations. Link to green tea extract supplement. Link to organic coffee beans. Link to high-quality tomato juice. Link to reusable glass water bottles. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense.